Hello and welcome to another Nexus bite-sized video. My name's Glenn, this is my colleague Chris, and today we're going to be looking at Microsoft Teams Speaker Coach. So Chris, could you just give us a really quick rundown of what it is, how it works, and why we'd want to use it, I guess?
Yes, of course. Okay, so when you're in a Microsoft Teams meeting, you can just very quickly enable this new option which you'll see in the Teams menu in the meeting for Speaker Coach. What that'll then do is it'll listen to you in the meeting, and it'll give you some tips on your speaking. So, for example, these are some of the prompts that you might see on screen as you're delivering your presentation or whatever you might be doing in the meeting. So if you speak too quickly, it might warn you about that. If you're using language that can be considered non-inclusive, it might give you some prompts and things on that. If you're perhaps speaking in too much of a monotone, it might also give you some hints and tips on that. Then, at the end of the meeting, you'll get a little report card like this. So this was mine for one of the meetings that I had recently inside Nexus. Quite pleased with myself. I've got green ticks for most things, but I did get picked up on my filler words. So click on filler words. So it spotted that I said basically, I mean, or you know. So those are things I need to watch out for to try and improve my speech in meetings. And then at the end, get one little report card. So I spoke for 3 minutes and 43 seconds in that meeting. And those are the tips that I got. So I was quite impressed.
Oh. And this is working on AI basically. So it's just Microsoft is there, Teams is listening to it, and then it's just picking it up and sort of saying this isn't quite right.
That's right.
And
It
they've done that by analysing loads of meetings.
It does that analysis in real time, gives you those cues and prompts, gives you the report card at the end, and then at the end of that, it throws all the data away, so it's kept confidential.
Yeah, I just love the fact that computers are now going to be able to tell me whether I'm being boring or not. Given it's a computer, but there we go. Although I must admit, a lot of the filler words, if you've watched any videos which I've been in previously, I'm a right sucker for that. So that could be really useful. So do people know when we've got this turned on at all?
It's confidential to you, so the tips and guidance that you're getting will only be shown to you, and the report card is only shown to you. So it's for personal improvement, but it's not shown to the rest of the team.
Okay, and there's no extra cost? This is something I can just use for free if I already use Teams?
Something that you'll find included with the standard Teams business licenses. You can just spot it in the menu, turn it on, and off you go.
Any questions at all, anything you need, obviously give Nexus a shout, but thank you ever so much for joining us again.
See you next time. Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.